Okay, Joki. So this I'm gonna just talk about you behind your back, in front of you. So we have this lovely patient who's had 2 nail surgeries on both sides, via a GP. And what we're doing is we just have to redo it because she came in with a severe infection that's cleared up. So we're just resecting the nail and cleaning the nail. So we're doing both sides itself. So we're just clipping this back now. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
Good. Just done some top up there. You okay?
Yep.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a little painful, it's okay.
Okay, let's just remove that nail. Oh, nice.
Hi Mum, can I have a lift back later?
So we have this lovely piece of nail. Massive! Ah, that's so amazing. That was inside. So we removed that. And we'll clean it out. Let's remove the next one too.
Just having a look.
She's doing well. That's not too bad. Oh, this is disappointing. It's still quite big. Okay. Inside. Excellent. So now what we're going to do is just clean down the side.
Yeah.
I just gotta change my pants. Like, it means I'm okay.
Okay. Listen to what Sean McMahon wrote in his yearbook over here. Dear Rich, you're such a great person. Not girl, person.
I think you're reading a little too much into it.
Dear Rich, you're a great person. Sorry about your teeny weenie.
You didn't want me to limit everyone in the entire school and tell them it wasn't true?
Yes,
You also told them I'm skinny now?
me too.
Look, I'm not calling you anybody. It was like a million years ago.
I don't care how long ago it was. You told people that I was half and half. You know what? I just want to point out, I never did anything to hurt you in high school. That's not totally true. What?
What?
Well, you did start that rumor about Ross making out with his Altman, 50-year-old librarian.
How did you know that?
Okay. Just double check inside. And then we'll put the pheno on.
You guys going at it behind the car and that long.
So? She also made out with Takakai Jack the night before we went back to Thailand. When you were in high school, you made out with a 50-year-old woman? And she didn't look 50. Did she look 16?
Wow!
She didn't photograph well.
There we go. Just a little bit left. Always double, triple, quadruple check if there's anything inside.
How did this happen? Did she lure you to an early bird dinner?
Just triple check. That feels very good.
In the library one afternoon. It was just the two of us. She needed some help with her word jumble. And one thing led to another. If you must know, Anita was very gentle and tender. May she rest in peace.
Didn't she walk with a cane?
Okay, so what we're doing now is just putting the pheno in side.
You'll see. Have you ever had something that was so beautiful that everyone wants it? I do. Nice job. I'm giving notes.
Did they take this much off last time? Do you remember, or did they take very little?
I can't remember.
How long was this ago? Like 2 years?
Pardon?
How long was this, their last surgery?
The last one was in April.
Oh, April.
And the
Oh,
one before that was in December.
oh, so just recently. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully by taking a larger section, if they did take it, they
Or one large one.
yeah, that's right.
Hello. Bye.
1 minute. Yeah, excellent.
To get in.